Right, so find the value of this when x is equal to 5. So the first thing you do is replace x with brackets. Now you replace x with 5. What's the answer?
17.
Alright, so 3 5s. So in an exam you have to write out each line. That's how you get the marks. 5 plus 2 is 17. If I made a mistake in an exam and I wrote 16 now, I would get most of the marks. I would get 7 out of 10 for that, because I wrote down every step. Alright, the next one. What does the word simplify mean? Yeah. If there are brackets, multiply. Otherwise, in this case, add what you can. What can we add?
7, 8,
and then
5y.
I can also write the answer as 5y plus 8x. It doesn't matter. Either answer is correct.
Yeah.
The next one. Solve. The word solve means find x. Solve the equation. Also means, solve means find the value of x. Solve the equation or find the value of x. So that's a 3x. So what we do is we're going to move the minus 1 across here and it'll become a plus 1. 3x is equal to 12. Now we don't want 3, we want 3 to go away. So to do that, divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. X is equal to 4. That was question 1. Alright. Question 2. Just sit down. Now, question 2. So, can everybody see that? Right, question 2. 12 times 3 is 36. Looking this way. 36 plus 2 is
3.
38 minus 12.
Yes.
Divide your answer by 2. Divide 26.
12.
26 divided by 2. Subtract your original number. What's my original number?
12.
That's my original number. Is 1. Now, believe it or not, we do the same thing. We're doing exactly the same thing in the next table.
You're supposed to get the answer.
Okay.
You must be 1
Yeah.
in that other table.
Okay, so think of a number. N. Multiply the number by 3. 3 times n is 3n. So we write, add 2 to your number, 3n plus 2.
3n.
So it's 3n plus 2 is the answer. Right, subtract your original number. So this is my answer here, brought over here. My original number was n, so I'm subtracting n. Okay, so 3n minus n is 2n, isn't it? Plus 2. Now bring that on to my next line. 2n plus 2. Divide your answer by 2. So over 2. I'll do it down here. 2n plus 2 divided by 2. 2n divided by 2 is what? 1n. 2 divided by 2 is 1, isn't it? So that's it. That's the answer. That's the answer there. Okay, and write it on the next line. N plus 1. Subtract your original number. So subtract subtract n. Yeah, n minus n is nothing. The answer is plus 1. Okay? Actually, I'll continue using this sheet. Evaluate. Find the answer of 4x plus 6y when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So, first thing you do is replace x with a bracket, replace y with brackets. Now, for x we put in 3, for y we put in 5. 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 5 is 30, add them. Okay, the next question. Solve means find the value of x. So what do we need to do with the number 2? Bring it across. So 3x is equal to 17, bring the plus 2 across and it becomes a minus 2. 3x is equal to 15. Divide by both sides by what number? 3. 3 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1x. 15 divided by 3 is 5. X is equal to 5. Right, the next one. Simplify. So we see brackets, so straight away we multiply. Looking up. Look up. 2 times 3x. 2 times, so double minus 4y. 2 times 6 is 12. So we're finished. Can you add a 6x to an 8y? To a 12? No. Next one, factorize. So they've done a bit for you. So I prefer to write it on the next line. Alright, so x times what is 3x squared? Looking up. X times 3x is 3x squared. Now x times what is 4x?
4.
X times 4 is 4x, so that's my answer. Find the value of 4a minus 2b when a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. So write down the sum first, replacing a with brackets and b with brackets. Replace a with 3. Replace b with 1. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. The next one, simplify. That means add what you, there's no brackets, so add what you can. What can I add together?
10x and x.
X plus 10x is 11x. Now, plus 7y minus 15y. Now, factorize these. 12x plus 15. So again, I prefer to write this bit on the next line. So it's 3 times what is 12x?
4x.
3 times what is 15? Okay, now I'm going to do some other types of algebra. What's x times x?
X squared. X squared.
X squared. What's x plus x?
2x.
2x. Alright. Another one. What's x squared times x? X3. So that's a 1. So add the 2 and the 1, you get a 3.
X cubed.
What's x3 times x2?
X5.
Add the 3 and the 2.
X5.
5. Okay, what's x6 over x2?
X cubed.
Subtract the powers.
X cubed.
x4. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay? Right. Other examples. What's xy times x. Yes, multiply the x's first. You get x2 and times y, x squared y. Very, very good. Right. What's x squared y times, that's multiplied by x y3. But the x's first of all. X squared times x to the 1. And the y's now, y to the power 1 times y3. y4. Very good. Yeah. Okay, so what's x, y, z? So I'm going to put a 2, 3 and a 5 multiplied by x3, y2, z6. Deal with the x's first of all. x2 times x3.
x5.
Yeah. y3 times y2. And z5 times z6. z11. Brilliant. Okay. Let me see, what else can I do? Just 1 second. Okay. And another type of sum that we did. So multiplying. Alright, so are you paying attention? Alright, so x plus 2 times x minus 3. Remember we were using the box, but there's another way you can do it. I can write down the first, write that in black. So I can split up the first bracket. So x times the second bracket. And then plus 2 times the second bracket. We tried this method as well, didn't we? Right, so now we go x times x's. X times minus 3. 2 times x. 2 times minus 3. Now we can add these. Now remember, adding and subtracting, you're going to use a number line. Just to show you. If you're not too sure, that's minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So minus 3 plus 2 is, or you can write the answer like that. Okay? Is that right? Another example. Okay, so here's another example. Two x minus 3 times 3x plus 4. There it is. Alright, break up the first bracket, so it's 2x times the second bracket. And then it's this bit times the second bracket. Alright, now we multiply. 2x times 3x.
6x squared.
2x times plus 4. Minus 3 times 3x.
Minus
Minus 9x.
Minus 3 times plus 4.
Minus 12.
Now you can add these two. 6x squared. So minus 9. Think of where that is in the number line.
1.
Yeah. And plus 8. X.
minus 1.
Okay.